Hey, what up, though? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Sean, aka Sevan, and this is gonna be part 2 of getting started in FL Studios. In this video, we're gonna be going over how to set up instruments such as Midi keyboards, as well as setting up plugins and kits to use. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set up our Akai MPK 249. Once you have your keyboard plugged into your computer, you're going to come up here to Options, MIDI Settings, and from here the first thing you want to do is you want to look for your controller. If you don't see your controller here, you can use generic controller, and then you want to click Send Master Sync. You want to make sure all your inputs are enabled, and then from here we can play notes. Now, as a little extra, if you want to link your faders to your controller, what you're going to want to do is you're going to right click, go to link to controller, and you can set the auto detect. And then if we move a fader, you can see now that it's linked. And you can do this with pretty much any parameter. So if we want to link the let's just say panning, you would do the same. And if we link it to this knob here, and now you're linked. Now for your plugins, for this example, we're going to be installing Origin by Cymatics. So what you're going to want to do, I already have it extracted here. We're going to go ahead and install. And now the file is in here. What you're going to want to do from there is come to Add, go to More Plugins, Manage Plugins, and you're going to want to have that path as a focus point. I already have it set up here, so all you need to do from there is click on Find Plugins, let's go ahead and type in Origin, and there you go. You're gonna look for the VST version, go ahead and start it. And then from here, it'll be available. And so for your sample, loop, and drum kits, you're gonna want to find your directory, which the fastest and easiest way would just be to right click on your packs folder, open the shell menu. It'll bring you right here. You don't have to worry about trying to find all this path. And then from here, you can honestly just put the kit into this folder. However, to keep things organized, I would suggest making a folder, naming it whatever, but knowing that's where your packs are. And for the sake of this video, we're going to organize, and we're just going to call this, oops, Baker, right? And now from here we can put the Baker bag kit in there. We can put this wave bakery in there, and then we can come back to FL, come to our beat packs, and now you see we have Baker and all our kits are right here. If for some reason it doesn't show up because you already have FL open, you can just hit your refresh and it will show up. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we'll be covering rendering and exporting MIDI files, audio clips, everything of that nature. If you liked the video or you learned something today, consider subscribing to the channel and drop a like on the video, and comment down below what type of videos you're interested in so I can tailor it more to you. I love y'all, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.